Oof, look at the picture quality on this one from Archetype Origins. Archetype? I wish all the pictures were like this from today's video. We got a Ryzen 9 5900X paired with an RTX 3080 Founders Edition, and even the 12-pin cable from the GPU is custom with cable combs. You know this guy loves his PC. He put in the time and effort. I mean, just the attention to detail, the color scheme's on point. It's a very clean build, no doubt. This is a 10 out of 10 for me. I could look at these pictures all day. Damn, yeah, very nice. There he is again, Archetype Origins, or Archetype Origins, I'm sorry. That's a very clean, water-cooled build. Look at the size of that look at the size of that extension. Oh my God, that's so long. At this angle, it looks so freaking long. It's so different, I like it. It's got a naturey vibe to it. We got the custom LCD display. Is it the same PC? I can't tell. Is this the exact same PC? No, the other one was not water-cooled. Okay. We have a 5900X with an RTX 3080 Founders Edition. I feel like he took that PC and he made it water-cooled because we got the same specs in here. But yeah, very, very impressive, 9 out of 10.